All rise. The Honorable Virginia L. Reed preside.
Good morning. Please sit down. Welcome to the Baltimore City Circuit Court. You are in for a session on the fast track docket, and I am going to start with the guardianship matters. So calling in the matter of John Doe, case number 24T170000123. Parties, please identify yourself for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Janet Fetter with Fetter and Malinowski on behalf of the petitioner, Johns Hopkins Hospital.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Stupenberg on behalf of Maryland Volunteer Lawyer Service for John Doe.
Okay, good morning.
Your Honor, as a preliminary matter, I would like to waive my client's right to be present as well as to a jury trial.
Okay, so noted. And counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, we are proceeding by way of stipulation. Both parties are in agreement to the need of a guardian of person and property for Mr. Doe. And Your Honor, I have with me today original copies of the physician certificates to accompany the petition, if I may file them with the clerk.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Be marked petitioners 1 and 2. Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay. So I have a proposed order from the magistrate. Have you come to agreement with who you recommend for guardian of the person and or property?
Yes, Your Honor. In this case, we have been unable to locate any friends or family of Mr. Doe who would be willing and capable to serve as guardians. Therefore, we need to look to the guardian of last resort for the guardian of the person, which would be the Baltimore City Department of Aging and Care Services. And for guardian of the property, we recommend a member of the Maryland Bar, Joe Smith.
Okay. Joe Smith?
No objections, and I have talked with my client, and he is in agreement with this petition.
Okay. Just a moment. Okay, in that case, after reviewing the contents of the petition, including the physician's certificate, I find by clear and convincing evidence that John Doe lacks sufficient capacity to make and communicate responsible decisions regarding his health and well-being. This condition is created by dementia, a condition that is not solely physical in nature, and there are no less restrictive alternatives available to guardianship. I further find that the proposed guardian of person, the Department of Aging and Care Services, is a fit and proper guardian of the person, and no one of higher priority is available to serve. Further, I find that John Doe lacks capacity to make responsible decisions regarding his finances, and that Joe Smith is a person capable of serving as the guardian of the property. Mr. Stupenberg, you have a position on bond?
Your Honor, we would ask that bond be waived. My client has no assets.
And with respect to medical decision-making, do I want to check box A or B?
Your Honor, this is a public agency, so I believe box A would be
Okay.
appropriate.
All right. In this case, I will have my clerk make copies, and I will hand them out to you shortly. How many copies do we need?
I believe 3, Your Honor. Thank you.
3 would be fine.
Okay. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.